Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mastering Chords powered by BandLab. So in today's video, we're taking a look at Nikes by Frank Ocean. Sounds a little something like this. All right, so just before we begin, the idea here in this series is to just play for you guys and teach you guys how to play chord progressions to some of my favorite songs, but not just that, but also the way that I'm playing the chords as well, right? So not just a standard way per se, but like the specific way that I enjoy playing it to invoke that feel and the sound that I'm looking for. So with that, I'll be sharing like the inversions that I'm using and the voicings and stuff like that. So let's start with this first chord. It is an E flat major in root position. Then it goes to G minor in second inversion. Then it goes to this chord. So I'm gonna link you guys to Ultimate Guitar tabs in the as a matter of fact, I'm not going to link you to Ultimate Guitar tabs anymore, because what's the point of showing you the chord progression if it's not the exact version that I like playing, right? Doesn't make any sense. This is where it makes sense to have my own database. So I will link you to my sheet that has all the chord progressions in it. That's what we'll do. But this next chord here is a C minor first inversion over D flat. So let's break it down. C minor first inversion. This is C minor. This is C minor first inversion. And you play that over a D flat to give you this feel. And then we go to C minor 7 in first inversion. One more time. So E flat major first inversion, G minor second inversion, C minor first inversion over D flat, and we end it with a C minor 7 first inversion. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed that. I also want to give a quick shout out to BandLab. They have a audio to MIDI feature that lets you turn any recorded melody or chord progression into editable MIDI. So it works really well for producers and songwriters. If you want to find out more about that, hit up bandlab.com. Link for that will be in the description as well. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next one, and have a great one. Peace.